All right, ladies and gentlemen, old guy coming at you again from the Suzuki demo. Trying to get a lot of bikes in today, and one that I've always wanted to film because of its attractive value for money is the Suzuki S1000. It's a naked bike. It's got, oh God, I think it's 150 brake horsepower at, I think it's 11,000 RPMs. If memory serves me correctly, this is still the K5 Gixxer engine. And 78.2 foot-pounds of torque. It's a very, very attractive option. At the MSRP of, I believe, brand new, we're looking at $11,700. And that's good value for money, in my opinion. I mean, we have a fully adjustable front suspension. We have dual 310 millimeter discs, 4-piston calipers. You have a 120/70/17 front tire. In the back, we have a single rear shock with preload and rebound, no compression. We have a 240 millimeter disc, I believe, with a single piston caliper. This is obviously chain driven. All right, let's check the seat height real quick. So I am 5'9", 220 pounds, and I have a 30-inch inseam. This bike claims a 31.9-inch seat height, if memory serves me correctly. I'm on the balls of my feet. It's not uncomfortable. The seat's pretty comfy. Feet up. Rider position, rider triangle. Is not super aggressive. It's going to be an interesting bike to ride, honestly. And I'm looking forward to it. And hopefully you'll come along for the ride. I mean, I've said it before about this display. I didn't like it on the R1000. It's kind of pretty similar. It's just, there's so much data here. MPG, US. I mean, there's too much data on it. You know, it's not even very legible, to be honest with you. This does have a quick shifter. Quite comfortable, actually. You know, I'm super excited and really happy that I can try this bike out, because when you rank this bike up against other bikes, this bike ranks so high. I mean, it's got just about everything you could ask for. Yeah. There's really not much you can not like about this bike. It's comfortable. It's a comfortable motorcycle. It's very relaxed. The rider position on this bike is very, very relaxed. Super, super comfortable. The seat's really comfy too. I mean, you have an adjustable brake lever. For some reason, Suzuki feels it's unnecessary to give anybody adjustable clutch levers, because, yeah, I don't know why. So, you want adjustability, you're gonna have to buy that on your own. Come on, Suzuki, wake up on that one. I mean, seriously. Stand-up position's not super comfortable. Engine brake in first gear is not overwhelming. This quick shifter is really smooth. I don't know if it's bi-directional or not. I'll have to try that. The upshifts are really, really smooth.
There's vibration in the tank, in a little bit in the seat. No, you know, there's a little bit of vibration in the foot pegs. A little bit of vibration in the hands, but not that much. Mirrors are really solid though. You can see behind me really well. I like it. It's got some good grunt. Man, that was 5th gear at 50, just kind of picks up. You can feel the torque pull. I mean, 78 foot-pounds of torque is nothing to sneeze at. Suspension's really good. Here goes the Bergman. I was just keeping up with the Bergman there. I was about ready to pass him, but I had spoken with him earlier. I was like, I want to ride that bike. I want to ride that too. Just because it looks like it's a lot of fun. I mean, so the S1000, I mean, it checks off, like, it checks the power box off immediately. Comfort, yes, checks that off. Features, you got a bi-directional quick shifter, you have adjustable suspension, you have solid brakes, you do not have steel-braided brake lines, which again doesn't seem to be something that's on any of the Suzuki bikes I've ridden so far. Non-adjustable clutch lever. You know, there's things that it doesn't have that it probably should, but as an overall value for money bike, there's a lot about this bike to like. I mean, there really is. And this bike has so much power, you really never have to get out of like 1st or 2nd gear. The vibes are there though in the foot pegs. It's more so in the foot pegs and then in the tank. The seat, not really a lot of vibration. It's coming from the tank. Holds itself very well too. There's probably a 57-inch wheelbase on this, something like that. So that's the thing about a demo ride, right? You have a lot of unknowns. You have a lot of speed variables. You don't know how anybody else is going to react. You don't know how anybody else is going to be on the road. So you're kind of, and you are very limited to what you can and cannot do. I'm not on my own ride. I'm having to follow along with the group. But it's enough time to know if you're going to actually enjoy yourself on a bike or not. Because 15 minutes is more than enough time to know, yeah, I really like it or I don't. You know, I'm really interested in purchasing it, or no, I don't want to ride this. You know, I've been on rides that have been an hour long on bikes that I hated. And it's just like, God, I just want to get off of this thing and I can't. So I kind of like the 15-minute first ride, first impression, you know. And my first ride, first impression on this thing, this is a phenomenal motorcycle. Okay. Yeah, 2024 GSX-S1000.
phenomenal bike. Oh, wow. It's a great, great bike to ride. I mean, for 11,006, 11,007. Yeah, a lot of fun. All right, everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.
So turn your back.